ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. Today we're going to talk about churches and the taxes that they don't pay. So don't let anyone fool you when they tell you that churches do pay taxes. They may pay taxes through the employees who have to pay taxes. But in many cases there are loopholes for those employees to claim an exemption so that they pay little to no taxes themselves. Churches are given subsidies or welfare from the government, local, state, whatever. They get all kinds of subsidies, and they are also allowed to interfere in politics when they're not supposed to, because they are considered a 501c nonprofit organization. Once you interfere in politics as far as backing a political candidate, you immediately lose your 501c status. Unfortunately, the politicians that the churches pay and back have a tendency to turn a blind eye and give them a pass with the authorities and, unfortunately, the IRS, so that they don't have to pay any taxes or penalties for involving themselves in backing political candidates. We don't get that luxury, of course, so hey, churches are special. Also, when churches don't pay taxes, that hurts our economy. So $82+ billion last year is what churches made. Now, if you took those billions of dollars every single year and you applied it to taxes and you taxed it, yes, it would possibly lower everyone else's tax rate, maybe. Not by a whole lot, but enough to where we would actually see some of the difference. But since churches don't pay taxes, we still have to cover that by paying extra taxes, because churches don't pay property taxes. They get exemptions. There's several exemptions that churches get that we will never ever have the opportunity of getting because they have a 501c nonprofit tax exemption, and there are several loopholes that they enjoy so they don't have to pay taxes. Don't let anyone fool you. No, the clergy does not pay taxes. That is not true. They have loopholes so that they don't have to pay taxes. And the entire church is a scam, and we're paying for it. So just like with corporations, if churches paid the same amount of taxes as everyone else, if churches paid what I paid in taxes, it would lower our tax rates. It would do things like help pay for healthcare, help fund education programs. It would help fund many social services that we direly need. Churches should definitely pay their fair share of taxes, and that would help unburden regular folks with taxes. And it would help a lot as far as boosting our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me tonight. I really appreciate you. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell down below so that you can be notified when I post new content. Have a great day, and by all means, do not forget, please be the best heathens that you can be.